better. Arthur and his friends were all gathered for his birthday when there came an enchanting sound outside. Arthur's heart swelled with joy. And as he made his way over to his favorite people in the world, there was a friendly knock on the door.
Hey, Buster, where you want to?
A delighted Arthur joined his friends. Full of good cheer, he enthusiastically began to open the box. So, with his friends yelling wildly, Arthur thought, what a happy birthday this is. The end.
Wow, that was cool.